Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Cat S53. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store, and inside let's find the Firefox. Then there should be install button like this, click on it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open it up, and here first option is to set it as a default browser, and we can do it like this. Next is to sign in to turn on synchronization with other Firefox browsers from other devices. I'm gonna click on that now. Now the browser is ready, and here you can open any website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.